Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change navigation setting in Realme Note 50. For this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have systems option here. Just tap here. After that, on the second, we have option of gestures. So we have system navigation option here. Just click here and then right now it is set to 3 button navigation, but I am changing it to gesture navigation. So just tap here so that your home button is now changed to gesture navigation, and if you want to go back, all you guys have to do just swipe like this, and if you want to go to home screen, all you guys have to do swipe up like this. And if you guys want recent tabs option, so just swipe up and press hold, then you guys can see the recent tab also. So this is how we can change navigation setting in Realme Note 50 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.